That was a very cool move. What was that dance move called?
It was called. It was called. Stop dancing.
I like it.
This is
Can you show me your suspenders?
Because I'm dancing.
Do the suspender dance. Do the suspender dance.
Mommy,
Yeah.
this is stop dancing.
But what is the suspender dance?
But I only did stop one.
Marley, what did you have for breakfast?
Is that kissy yogurt?
It looks like she ate a can of paint.
Kissy
I
yogurt?
can't.
I have yogurt
Oh,
face.
messy girl is going for it.
Hey. No. Oh,
I like
thank
your
you.
suspenders, Leonard.
Well, let's look what she does. Thank you. What
Daddy?
did you do?
Yeah,
They use this suspender dancing.
that's your suspender dance.
They use this stop dancing. This is stop dancing. They use this stop dancing.
Stop.
And go.
And go.
And I'm free. And free. And go. And free. Oh. And go. Can you shake your butt? Shake your butt. Shake your butt. Now.
What? Why is this open?
Oh, can
You
you
can
close
close it.
You can close it.
Asking what's on here.
No, we're gonna not play with that stuff. Remember, those are not toys.
Marley, you're so messy right now. Let me see your face. Marley. Marley.
Put it on your face.
Marley. 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 Marley.
Look at mama.
Marley.